revolution against British rule in India began with the events unfolding in Meerut on May 10, 1857. It was sparked by a military rebellion led by Mangal Pandey, who shot at a British officer in Barakpur cantonment in March 1857. This act was in protest against the use of cartridges rumoured to be greased with cow fat, which offended the religious sentiments of Indian soldiers. Mangal Pandey was swiftly arrested and hanged on April 8, 1857, ahead of the schedule, due to the fear he instilled in the British. His sacrifice galvanized the Indian masses, leading to widespread revolt. Notable figures such as Nana Sahib, Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi and Tatya Tope joined the uprising, marking it as the first organized resistance against British rule. Prior to this, there were sporadic tribal rebellions, but they lacked the widespread impact of the 1857 revolution. This event marked a pivotal moment in Indian history, heralding the beginning of a concerted struggle for India's independence.
RKDF University.
खानदानी लुटेरों की कोशिश होगी बेकार, फिर एक बार मोदी सरकार।
Santosh Yadav made history on May 10, 1993 by becoming the first woman to climb up the Mount Everest twice. Her remarkable achievement followed her initial conquest of Everest in 1992. Notably, she is also the first woman to ascend Everest from Kangsum, which is a very challenging route. Recognizing her accomplishments, she was honored with the Padma Shri in 2000. In 2022, she was invited as the chief guest at the annual Vijayadashmi festival by Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh, further highlighting her enduring legacy as a trailblazing mountaineer. Yogendra Singh Yadav, born on May 10, 1980 in Uttar Pradesh, exemplifies extraordinary bravery. During the 1999 Kargil War, serving as a grenadier, he displayed exceptional courage in capturing 3 vital bunkers atop the 18,000 feet high Tiger Hill. On July 5, 1999, amidst fierce combat, only 7 soldiers, including Yadav, remained on the front lines out of 25. Despite sustaining 15 bullet wounds, Yadav valiantly demolished 3 enemy bunkers, single-handedly eliminating the Pakistani assailants. His unparalleled bravery earned him the Paramveer Chakra, India's highest military honor. Today, retired from the army, Yadav's indomitable spirit continues to inspire generations. On May 10, 1940, Winston Churchill was appointed Prime Minister of the United Kingdom. While protesting against India's independence, Churchill once said, "If India is liberated, power will go into the hands of goons and freeloaders. All Indian leaders will be very weak like straw effigies." On one hand, Churchill is seen as a leader who fought and defeated a powerful dictator like Hitler. On the other hand, in the colonial history of Britain, there's a dark chapter associated with his rule which is directly related to India. Winston Churchill is considered responsible for the millions of deaths due to hunger in Bengal in 1943. From 1943 to 44, more than 30 lakh people died due to famine in Bengal due to lack of food. Historians believe that this happened because of Churchill's policies. Otherwise, many deaths could have been prevented. Winston Churchill believed that Indians did not have the ability to rule. But today, the Prime Minister of Winston Churchill's United Kingdom is a person of Indian origin. And not only that, today people of Indian origin form a large part of the British population. Today, 10 times as many Indians live in Britain as the number of British people who lived in India during the British rule.
RKDF University.
खानदानी लुटेरों की कोशिश होगी बेकार, फिर एक बार मोदी सरकार।
On May 10, 1994, Nelson Mandela made history by becoming South Africa's first black president after decades of white rule. His election marked a pivotal moment in the nation's journey towards democracy. Mandela's inauguration ceremony in Pretoria drew representatives from 140 countries, symbolizing global support for South Africa's transition. His message of unity resonated worldwide, epitomized by his vow to end oppression. Mandela's steadfast leadership in the anti-apartheid movement earned him admiration globally, leading to honors such as India's Bharat Ratna in 1990 and the Nobel Peace Prize in 1993. His legacy of courage and reconciliation continues to inspire generations, transcending borders and cultures. Mandela passed away on December 5, 2013, leaving behind a legacy of resilience and hope.